Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing a them reading. I know you're expecting a you versus them, but I thought I'll save it for next week when the energies change in July. Maybe something more exciting will come. Today we're going to just focus on them and see what's going on in their world and their life and what are they going through. And these are general collective readings. Aries will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So focus on your person, Aries. Let's see what's going on in their world. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aries, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Aries, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. We keep them open better. Saves time. Okay. All right. Oh. Okay. They're very deeply unhappy, Aries, wanting a change in the circumstances. I don't know what's happening here, but somebody, I think, knows that they've created a lot of conflict in this connection, and they realize that they've maybe been coming off, or maybe they were acting as a player or something, and they've messed up their chance to have a 10 of Pentacles with you, right? So let's see what that is. Knight of Wands spirit. Why is that the basis of the situation for them? Oh yes, they were trying to control how this connection would go, Aries. They were trying to be the boss. They were trying to pretend to be bigger and better than they were, and they probably came across as somebody who was uninterested, trying to pretend, hey, I don't care, I have so many other people that I have to meet or things to do, and you're not the only one. And this kind of controlling Hitler type of behavior, Aries, made them mess out a chance for them to have this beautiful 10 of Pentacles with you. So 10 of Pentacles spirit, 10 of Pentacles. Yes, now they're feeling embarrassed and ashamed because I guess they brought third parties in. They could have been focused on everything and everybody else except focusing on the thing that would have given them long-lasting abundance and happiness. Now this person is feeling very ashamed and very, very embarrassed to even show face to you. So their goal is to get to you, it seems. Their goal is this Empress, which I think is you. This could also represent having fertility, growth, and forward movement ahead. If you're a masculine Aries watching this, then yes, this could be your goal. My man Aries here, you could be, you could have behaved like this. I don't know, because there's an Emperor in reverse, right? And for my females out there, maybe this is their goal, your person's goal. That's how to reach you now, the person they see as abundant, as beautiful. Yes, they have a lot of emotion for you. They've been hiding it, and they also realize now that they've done so much injustice in this relationship that now they're sitting here depressed, that they want to bring this cup of love to you, Aries, now, but they don't know how to take it. They're sitting feeling rejected, bored, lonely, and sad. All they can do is dream of this Empress. Now they do want to come, but they don't know how, because of all this injustice that's been created in this connection. So what's the foundation of the situation, Spirit? What's a specific event that happened in the immediate past to bring about this boredom and rejection and sadness? Ace of Pentacles, Aries. Somebody didn't offer a stable beginning. There was nothing offered here, and that's the reason I think you guys have split up, I think now. Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit, yes. There's some stagnancy came. And maybe you or this Empress, whoever she is, stopped fighting for this connection completely and said, hey, if you're not going to offer me this, if you're not going to offer me anything stable, if you're not going to offer me something which is going to be long-lasting, they wanted to. That's the worst part, right? This person really wanted to, and now they're feeling, I've lost my chance. All they were trying to do is come off as a player and try and be the boss, and maybe they felt not worthy of this empress, and they kind of messed it up big time, because they're showing up as the emperor but in reverse, right? So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? Recent past, Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody didn't put in the work. Somebody just was too lazy, and because they were not showing any kind of movement towards solidifying this connection, no offer was made here, Aries, not even a small one, not even an apology was made here for their bad behavior. They just took too long, not too long. I don't think they put in any work at all. And yes, I think this Empress, they released them. They got released, and a choice was made here, Aries, that forget it. If you're not interested in me, I'm going off for a passionate new beginning for myself now. I have lots of other, pursuits that I can do, lots of different directions that I can go. I am the effing Empress, right? You don't keep an Empress waiting, and if you're not going to put in the work, if you're not going to offer me anything, I'm moving off for a brand new beginning for myself. So what's this King of Wands now, Spirit? Okay. Now this person still has a lot of passion, Aries. This person has a lot of passion for this Empress. I don't know which side you belong to, but let me just put it this way. There is silence between the two of you. You guys are probably not talking to each other, but they, in this time of separation, they've been also listening to their intuition, and they've realized that their passions lie here with this Empress. Now they don't want to let go, they want to hold on. They just don't want this chapter to end, right? But right now, how they're feeling, Aries? They're feeling like they've lost their chance. The Four of Wands is in reverse. Now they figured out, yes, this was my soulmate. This is the one I could have had long-lasting home, family, stability, everything. But right now they're feeling that maybe they've lost their chance. Why, Spirit? Why do they feel like that? Four of Wands in reverse. Four of Wands in reverse. Yes, so somebody is very, 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 very unhappy, Aries. They made the wrong choice here. They ended something which they shouldn't have. They had the chance to have a Ten of Pentacles, right? They had a chance to have this. They made a choice and in fact betrayed their Empress. And now they feel they've lost their chance, and now they can never have this Four of Wands back again, even though they want to. They don't want to let it go. They're deeply unhappy, deeply. This is all Nine Cups, this is emotions, right? And when it's upside down, really tells you what this person is going through. So where are you at, Aries? The Sun, okay. Yeah, I think you're trying to find happiness. At one point, I think you did see them as your be-all and end-all and the person who could really, really make you happy. But at the moment, the way you feel about this situation or this person is you've lost hope. You've lost hope because there was absolutely no happiness. There was no promise of the future. There was no emotions. Nothing. Ten of Cups in reverse. Like they are feeling the Nine of Cups in reverse, you're feeling the Ten of Cups in reverse, and also feeling that this is a hopeless situation, right? But at one point, you did see them as someone who could make you really happy. I mean, the sun shone when they arrived, right? So what is this person's biggest fear now? Page of Swords. They probably feel, Aries, that you are talking about them. Yes, this is the biggest fear. They fear that there is gossip now going on, and you may have told all, maybe you have mutual friends or family or whatever, you've been maybe social circle. They fear that you are talking behind their back, you are judging them, and now because you're judging them, your friends or your family is probably judging them, calling them a player, which was their first card, right? This is what they were trying to be, the Knight of Wands in reverse. So now they're very worried about their reputation. So this is their biggest fear. Oh my God, what are people saying about me? I'm sure, Aries has gone and talked about me. Now the whole world will be judging me and calling me a player and saying things about me. This is making them deeply unhappy. Deeply, deeply unhappy. So what's this 10 of Cups in reverse, Spirit? 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups in reverse. Their biggest, okay, so this is what happening with them. I told you this person still has a lot of passion for you, Aries. They are still very, very, very fired up. They want to literally rush towards you with their wand, and they're very excited and they do want to come, because now this person knows, heart of hearts, that you are their equal. You are their soulmate. You are the person who they want to have. I mean, they recognize you to be their soulmate. But the problem here, Aries, is either there's distance between the two of you, or you've blocked them, or they're unable to travel towards you. Now this is making them very unhappy. Very, very unhappy. So let's see, Aries, if they could say something to you right now, what that would be, okay? Before that, of course, as always, let's take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels want to say to this reading. Then we'll do the dialogue cards as well. Commitment. Yes, they maybe avoided commitment, Aries, in the past. Maybe now they want to. But my angels are urging you, Aries, if you're the Empress here, that first and foremost, now you've learned to commit to yourself. Make sure that nobody kind of moves you away from the things that you hold most dear. Okay? Don't get swayed and remove that commitment from yourself. In any relationship, Aries, first and foremost commitment has to be yourself. If you're not happy, you can't make anyone else happy. Remember that. Okay, so now let's do the fun part and let's see if this person could say something to you, what that would be. Aries and their person. Sorry, not Aries and their person, their person. Aries person spirit, I'm going to put this back. Sorry. So Aries person, what would you like to say to Aries now? What would you like to say to Aries if you got a chance? Okay, and I'm going to take a couple more from here, Aries. Okay. Alright, so let's start, see what they want to say. Although we cannot meet or see each other, I love you more every day. My heart belongs to you for eternity. Didn't I just tell you? They can't meet you, they can't travel towards you for some reason, and that's making them very unhappy because they know you're the one. You're the one who makes their heart sing. Okay, next one. Life seems so complicated for us. My mind often drifts off to thoughts of us escaping reality to somewhere really quiet where we can be alone. So they're fantasizing big time. I can't bear the thought of you being with someone else. I get so jealous. I just want you to be mine. My heart breaks a little bit more each day that we are apart. This is what they want to tell you, Aries. There is more to this than I'm able to share with you right now. Thank you for your support. I could not do this without you. Maybe they've had some spiritual lessons to learn, Aries, and you've been the trigger that's awakened this person. Maybe they were a player in the past and now they see themselves in that light and they don't like what they see, and they're worried now that you see them like that and you may be telling other people about it as well. So now this person is very, very unhappy. So that's how your person is feeling right now, Aries. End of June. We will do the you versus them very soon next week. And of course, we'll meet for the Love Bite on Friday. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.